Good morning, children. As you all know that our exams are approaching, but these are not our regular exams. ये हमारे रेगुलर एग्जाम्स नहीं है. जैसे आप स्कूल में आकर अपने एग्जाम्स देते हो, these are not your regular exams. These are your online exams, which may create some errors, which may create some issues. For that, I'm here to give you some of the tips. How can you resolve your problem, or how can you maintain your patience during this online exam? Okay, so get ready for that. What are the things we have to keep in our mind before online exam? The first thing we have to keep in our mind before our online exam, that what are the things we need to prepare. The things we need to prepare is our data connection. That should be clear. Very important thing, that if you are giving any of the online exam or you are giving school online exam, make sure that you have remembered your ID and the password provided to you for that exam. This is very important. So make sure that you have kept in your mind about your ID and your password. The next thing which I am going to tell you is, read and understand the text guidelines. Whatever the guidelines have provided to you, that is your paper objective, is your paper subjective. You have to write the answer in one word, you have to write the answer in one line, true, false. Whatever the guidelines have provided to you, you have to follow those guidelines for your exam. The next one is, know the test format. As in my last slide, I told you that you have to know, you have to keep in your mind that what is the things you have to keep in your mind before the exam. You have to understand the guidelines and you have to know the test format, that in which format your test paper is coming. Is it objective, is it subjective, or this is objective and subjective both. So you have to keep this in your mind. If your paper is subjective, then you have to make sure that you have to type your paper. So you have to keep your fingers properly on your paper, and whatever you are typing, that should be correct. So make sure that you are keeping the format of your test in your mind. Now check your computer. Before your exam, you have to check your computer whether it is working properly or not. It is not necessary that you are using your computer only. Now in these days we are using many devices for online papers. That thing is, some of us are using computer, some of us are using phones, some are using laptops, some are using tablets. There are many devices, some are using iPads. So make sure whatever the device you are using for your paper, that should be correct. That should be specially charged, because sometimes it happens that we have to face the problem because we are using the device, the problem of current failure arise, and what happens, we are not able to write a paper on time. So make sure that if you are having a paper in the morning, that you have kept your device on charge and that is completely charged. The next thing, plan your work properly. Means you have to plan your work properly, that if you are writing something in your paper, make sure that you are using punctuations accordingly, you are using capital letters accordingly, and if you are having maths paper, make sure that you are using digits properly. Everything should be used properly. So be very sure about that and read all the instructions whatever is given after the question. Do your work according to the question. And please avoid all the distractions while writing. What happens, sometimes it happens that you are writing your paper and any of your sibling, any of the family member have turned on the TV. It should not happen. You must keep in your mind that your TV should be turned off, or any other device which are making you disturb or which are creating a distraction for your mood. Make sure that the thing should be turned off. After keeping all these things in mind, take a deep breath, okay, and just patience. Don't get hyper, need not to be worried, okay, just take a deep breath. If suppose you are facing a technical problem, It is a very common when we are doing online exam. It's very common that we are facing technical problems. Sometimes it happens that due to server issues, it seems that your paper is not getting submitted. So need not to get panic. Okay, just take a screenshot, or you can make the call to the instructor and you can inform them that, sir, ma'am, I'm facing the problem, what to do. You will get the necessary response from their side. So need not to get panic. Now, after this, please check your work before you submit it. Before submitting your paper, check whether you have attempted all the questions, whether you have followed all the instructions given to you, you have given your answers in one word if it is asked, you have given your answer in one line if it is asked. If answers is asked in short answer, then you are writing the question paper, you are giving your answers accordingly. Make sure that before submitting the paper, you are checking all the answers given by you and then submit it. Then after the paper, you will find a last dot button, that is submit. After following all these instructions, click on submit option. This is the end. I hope all of you are going to follow the same guidelines for your question paper, or you are not going to panic for the online paper. All the best. Wish you luck.